A Ukrainian drone attack on the Russian oil hub of Nizhnekamsk killed 13 people and injured 78, according to local authorities. Nizhnekamsk lies about 1,200 kilometers or 750 miles east of Ukraine's border in central Russia. The city of roughly 240,000 people contains 2 oil refineries and a major petrochemical complex. Ukraine's general staff said its forces struck the Tatarstan refinery and started a fire, a claim that could not be independently verified. The Tatarstan leader's press service described a massive attack on industrial and civilian facilities, but did not identify every intended target. Officials said one drone struck a hostel, killing 9 of the 13 victims, including citizens of Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan. Uzbekistan's consular office in Tatarstan said 7 Uzbek nationals died, and Russian regional officials said a child was among those killed. Regional authorities declared a day of mourning as emergency crews worked at the damaged locations and hospitals treated the injured. The Associated Press said it could not independently verify the competing Russian and Ukrainian descriptions of the targets and damage. Ukraine has used domestically developed long-range drones against Russian refineries and other oil infrastructure almost daily in recent months. AP reports the refinery campaign has reduced capacity, contributed to fuel shortages, and made repairs harder because specialized equipment is often imported. Several drones also sparked a fire at an industrial facility in western Siberia's Tyumen region, according to its governor. Ukraine's general staff said it damaged part of a Tobolsk complex that produces aviation fuel, high-octane gasoline, and components used in weapons. Ukraine's domestically produced drones have flown increasingly deep into Russia, with some reported attacks reaching roughly 2,000 kilometers from the border. President Volodymyr Zelensky says the deep strike campaign is intended to pressure Russia to end the invasion and enter peace talks. Russia's foreign ministry called on foreign governments and international organizations to condemn the Ukrainian attacks. The same day, a Russian glide bomb hit Zaporizhia in southern Ukraine and injured 24 people, according to local authorities. The World Health Organization said 2 strikes destroyed about $500,000 in emergency supplies at a warehouse in Ukraine's Dnipro region. Ukraine says a parallel campaign against roads, railways, and bridges is designed to make Russian fuel, ammunition, and troop movement slower and costlier. The next confirmed details will come from casualty updates, refinery inspections, and evidence clarifying which sites were hit and how badly.